In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the focus bar in Sunsama. This feature is a fantastic tool to help you maintain concentration during your work sessions. Before we get started, it's important to note that the focus bar requires the Sunsama desktop app to be running in the background, either on Mac or Windows. So make sure you have that set up before we dive in. Let's begin by showing you how to bring up the focus bar. This convenient tool will automatically appear when you start a focused work session. It's a seamless process that doesn't require any additional steps, offering you a straightforward way to manage your tasks. However, there might be moments when you need to manually show the focus bar. To do this, a simple keyboard shortcut will do the trick. Just press the F key on your keyboard while you're hovering over or viewing a task. This will kickstart focus mode, bringing the focus bar into view, ready to assist you with your task management. Once the focus bar is visible, you'll notice several key features. It displays the name of the task you're currently focused on, alongside a running timer. This way, you can keep track of how much time you're spending on a particular task without getting sidetracked. You'll notice a few control buttons on the focus bar as well. These are designed to make task management not only efficient, but also intuitive. Let's explore these controls a bit further. The play, pause button is represented by simple icons. Clicking this button allows you to start or pause the timer for your task. This is particularly useful if you need to interrupt your work for any reason, allowing you to pick up right where you left off. Next, there's the check button, symbolized by a check mark. Clicking this marks your current task as complete, and it will automatically shift your focus to the next item on your daily list, keeping your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. Sometimes, you might want to reposition the focus bar to suit your workspace better. Thankfully, the app provides an easy way to do this. Simply click and drag the focus bar to wherever you find it most convenient on your desktop. Versatility like this ensures that the bar is never in the way, but always within reach. Finally, there might be instances when you'd prefer to hide the focus bar temporarily. Whether it's to clear your screen or just tidy up a bit, you can easily do this with the hide button, marked by a dash. Clicking this will remove the focus bar from your desktop view until you decide to show it again. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to effectively use the focus bar in Sunsama. This tool is designed to enhance productivity by streamlining your focus and time management. Keep it handy and make the most out of your work sessions. Thanks for watching, and happy focusing.